Every cup of coffee you've ever made is a chemistry experiment. When hot water hits ground coffee, it starts dissolving compounds out of the bean. That process has a name. It's called extraction. Here's what most people don't realize. Only about 30% of a coffee bean is actually soluble. The rest is just cellulose, plant fiber that water can't dissolve. And of that 30%, you don't even want all of it. The sweet spot is pulling out 18 to 22% of the bean's total weight. Too little, and your coffee tastes sour. Too much, and it turns bitter and harsh. But here's the part that changes everything. Those compounds don't dissolve all at once. They dissolve in a specific order. Think of extraction like a timeline. As water passes through coffee, different compounds dissolve at different rates. First to dissolve are the acids. Bright, sharp, citrusy compounds. They come out fast in the first 14% of extraction. If you stopped here, your coffee would taste sour and thin. That's under extraction. Next come the sugars and caramelization products. Sweet, rich, full-bodied compounds that balance out the acidity. These arrive between 14 and 20%. This is the sweet spot, literally. But keep going past 22%, and you start pulling out the heavy stuff. Polyphenols, phenylendanes, quinic acid. These are the bitter, astringent, drying compounds that make you wince. So extraction isn't just about how much, it's about how far. Every brewing decision you make, grind size, water temperature, brew time, is really just controlling where you stop on this timeline. Here's where most people get confused. Strength and extraction are not the same thing. Strength is concentration. How much dissolved coffee is in your cup? You measure it as TDS, total dissolved solids. Extraction is yield. What percentage of the bean you actually dissolved? You measure it as extraction yield. These are two independent variables, and that means you can have all four combinations. Strong and well extracted. That's a good espresso. Weak and well extracted. A balanced pour over. But you can also have strong and under extracted. A sour, intense concentrate. Or weak and over extracted. Watery and bitter at the same time. When someone says their coffee is too strong, they often mean it's too bitter. That's over extraction, not strength. Big difference. So how do you actually control extraction? 4 variables. First, grind size. This is the biggest lever. Finer grounds mean more surface area exposed to water. More surface area means faster, higher extraction. Coarser grounds slow it down. Second, water temperature. Hotter water dissolves compounds faster. That's why cold brew takes 12 hours, but pour over takes 3 minutes. Standard target is 91 to 96 degrees Celsius. Third, brew time. The longer water stays in contact with coffee, the more it extracts. An espresso pulls in 25 seconds. A French press steeps for 4 minutes. Same principle, different timelines. Fourth, your coffee to water ratio. More water per gram of coffee pushes extraction higher. A 1 to 15 ratio extracts less than a 1 to 17 ratio using the same grind. All 4 interact. Change one and you'll probably need to adjust another. But once you understand what each one does, dialing in your coffee stops being guesswork. So that's extraction in a nutshell. Water dissolves coffee compounds in order. Acids first, then sweetness, then bitterness. The 18 to 22% window is where the best flavors live, and you control where you land with 4 simple variables. Next time your coffee tastes off, don't just add more coffee or less water. Ask yourself, am I under-extracting or over-extracting? That one question will change how you brew. If this was helpful, subscribing helps us make more of these. Thanks for watching.